Finally, it's summer and Airbnb season is opening very soon in Australia after so many lockdowns. So many homeowners are planning to refresh their homes and coming up with on-budget styling for their Airbnb. So I would like to give 5 suggestions for styling your Airbnb on a budget. There's Airbnb and Airbnb. In a luxury Airbnb, it's not a good idea to really style it with Kmart stuff. But if you're on a budget and you would like to come up with maybe an Airbnb that you will show your personality, or if you have very limited budget, then this is the video for you. Don't be afraid to show your personality. This is an Airbnb. So find items that you love and your guests will love to get to know you better. Also think about small things, details such as, I don't know, a card, for example, designed by you, or a handwritten card, or just some flowers you picked up from your garden. Those small details can make huge difference in your styling. Airbnb rentals are special because of the personal edge they provide. So give your guests something memorable, something special from you, and those little details are going to be perfect for getting a good review and also creating a memorable experience for your guests. So the books you put on the shelves or the Spotify list you provide for your guests, those small details can help your guests to connect with you better, and also they're free. Think about how much money you're going to make from this property. So Airbnb is about making money, not about spending too much money on it. And you don't really have to spend too much. Try to think one wow item for each room. Usually luxury is about simplicity, and you can create this by finding some rare pieces from auctions, from garage sales, or maybe even DIY. When you're on a $0 budget, think creative. Use your imagination. This is not your home, it's an Airbnb. So in a home you may not style with a theme, but in an Airbnb this might just add value to your property. You can even, for example, style the whole house for Stargate, fans, or minions, There are lots of, people who would love to just spend a weekend in a house like that. And also think about, for example, council collection days. When you walk around, you might find some items, or from charity shops. Mixed quality pieces with some cheap products. Now, you can find amazing things at Kmart, Target, or you can personalize IKEA products, and that can look totally different when you paint it or change the handles. Another thing is you can start collecting, and that's fun. There are people who collect baskets, or why not collect brooms, for example. A collection of brooms can look really interesting in an Airbnb. DIY can make your Airbnb very stylish, and the king of the DIY is definitely painting. A fresh coat of paint can modernize your home, can give a little bit of, character to your place, and also can create the mood you would like to create in your home. So check out the color psychology to find out how colors can affect the mood of people. And also in my Instagram page, we are currently talking about color and how to apply color in styling. So start following my Instagram page.